Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be doing a single coaster, and I'm doing a single because I have about 250 milliliters of resin left over, which actually should be enough for two. So let me grab out the other one. Maybe it might be enough. You know what? Oh, I don't know. Yeah, I'll grab out the other one. Okay. So I'm doing two coasters today. These are Geode style coasters. And yeah, oh yeah, okay, because the other one's smaller. I wanted to try a pouring technique that I have seen Julie from Pour Your Heart Out do, that creates like striations through it. You know what? I'll link her channel in the description too. You should also check her out if you're into resin crafting and stuff, because she makes such beautiful things. So I'm going to be trying that out today. I think that I'm going to use black and gold again, because I really liked the way that those colors looked next to each other in my last video. Was that my last video? I don't know. They're still curing over there. So one of the last videos where I used the Epsom salts in the middle. That coaster, the Geode coaster. So I'm going to attempt to do this. I am nowhere near as good as she is at this, but we shall see. I'm going to put my mask on because I always recommend that when using resin, you have a mask that is specifically for fumes, because this stuff is extremely toxic to your health. And I'm already sort of immunocompromised, so I don't want to cause any more issues. That being said, I'm going to put you guys on fast forward mode with a little music while I mix these up, and then I'll come back and talk to you about what we're gonna do. Okay. Okay guys, so I have my two colors of resin here. I've got the metallic grayish black and the gold. So what I'm going to be doing is pouring a thin edge of black around the edges of these, then pouring in my gold, and then I'm going to be topping that off with the clear. So I'm going to put my mask back on, just took it off to talk to you guys. And yeah, back to the music. Okay guys, so these are done pouring, or done being poured. I'm gonna run my heat gun over them one more time just to pop any micro bubbles that may have popped up. I also had enough leftover resin to pour into this mold, which is Halloween tombstone type of things. I got it around Halloween. I haven't tried this one yet, or this one that you can not really see. It's over here. These are just Halloween skeleton and skull type pieces. I don't know. You'll see those once we unmold them. So I'm going to let these sit for at least 24 hours, which means probably Sunday morning I'll be back to unmold them. But for you guys, it'll be pretty much instant. So sit tight and we'll be right back. Okay. Okay guys, it has been well over 24 hours. I'm going to unmold these ones. They turned out really pretty. Like, I love these striations that are running through it. It almost reminds me of an eyeball. I've never used these particular molds before, so hopefully they hold up well. They seem to so far. I haven't had anything stick. There we go. So that's the back, you know. Not nearly as impressive as the front. God, that's gorgeous. So obviously I will line these with the gold. They're very good thickness. Like, that's very nice. I would say probably a ½ centimeter, 1/4 inch maybe. Very nice. And it's also see-through, which is really cool. So let's check out this one. Again, that's the back, which is, it's okay. But the front, woo doggy. Look at that. That is so pretty. Oh my God, I could stare at that for ages. So there's the coasters. My back is really hurting because I'm standing up, so I'm going to try and rush this. I have this mold. It was a cheap one off of Amazon. I have zero hope for this mold, but we shall see what we get with it. Oh, well, that's one thing. We get matte finish on the, come on and focus, camera. Get your act together. Thank you. This is a little tombstone. And you know what? There's some bubbles in here, or like holes where bubbles were. I actually don't mind that because the tombstones should be kind of distressed and aged and stuff, so kind of like that. And then we have the gold one. Ooh. Kind of a pain to get out of this thing. Okay, so here is the gold one. Try and get better lighting for you. There we go. That is gorgeous. Wow, I really, really like that. And you can tell the difference between, you know, a mold that's kind of shiny. You can see the shine in it. And a mold that is matte. Because if you look at it, so this is the back of it. See how shiny that is? And then you turn it over and it's matte. Bless you, baby. So those are those. I also had extra resin and poured a bunch of these littler chintzy kind of things. Just kind of testing it out because I'd never tried this one before. So we got like a skeleton guy there. Kind of a rockabilly is what he kind of reminds me of. Ooh, this is cool. A little skeleton hand. We've got the Siamese twins. Those are cool. Got another skull. Very nice. Let's see. What is this one? A spider? Looks like a spider, maybe? I can't really tell. No, it's a skull. With, oh, it's a skull with roses. Let me see if I can get you a close-up picture. There we go. It's like a skull with a top hat and roses. Very nice. We've got a skull with a crown. There we go. Very cool. I did overfill these a little bit. Oh God, sorry. Oh, sorry. So this is a skull and bones. So I did overfill these a little bit, but kind of on purpose. I didn't want to waste resin, but I mean, in the end, overfilling it wastes resin as well, which is why this one has a lot of extra resin on it. But it's a apple with a skull and bones. Kind of looks like the Apple logo. Okay. Let's see. Oh, this is pretty. We've got a skeletal lady. Very nice. And the last one is, I guess, just kind of ribs and a spine. So, there we have it, guys. That was our resin pieces for today. Move them all into frame for you. These I love. I totally love. I'm definitely going to be trying these again. Again, I will have Julie from Pouring Your Heart Out, her channel linked below, so definitely check her out if you're into resin crafting. She makes such beautiful stuff. She also does acrylic paint pours as well, which are awesome. So, anyway, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you check out all of my other resin videos. Please like and subscribe, hit that bell, all that good stuff. And I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye.